In this video, let's solve problems based on radius of curvature. And already we have derived the radius of curvature formula for the Cartesian form. So now given the question, y square is equal to 4a square 2a minus x by x. So now if you see here, the curve meets the x-axis. When I say the curve meets the x-axis, I have to find the particular point at which we have to find the radius of curvature. Otherwise, normally we'll find only the radius of curvature. So to find the point, we are using the clue where the curve meets the x-axis. When it meets the x-axis, which implies y is equal to 0. It meets the x-axis means at that point, y value will be 0. If I substitute y is equal to 0 in the given question, y square is equal to, that is 0 is equal to 4a square into 2a minus x by x. This denominator x goes to this side and it will become 0, which implies 4a square into 2a minus x is equal to 0. And we have the point 4a square cannot be 0, 2a minus x is 0, which implies x is 2a. So we got the corresponding point for x when y is equal to 0. So I'm writing when y is equal to 0, x is 2a. When you write the point, always we'll write x first, that is 2a, and then y second, because the point always we represent x comma y. So at this point, you have to find the radius of curvature at 2a comma 0. So to find the radius of curvature, we have the formula, that is 1 plus, let me write, 1 plus y1 square, the whole power 3 by 2 divided by, what is the formula? y2. Okay. This is the formula that we have derived already for the radius of curvature. So for finding this, we have to find the first derivative y1 and the second derivative y2. In the question, y square is given. If I differentiate y square with respect to x, differentiate y with respect to x, we get dy by dx. This dy by dx, we can write it as y1. Both are same. Now how this came? Because your question was y square is equal to 4a square into 2a minus x by x. So if I multiply this inside, 4 2s are 8, a cube by x. This is the first term. Minus 4a square x by x. This x and x will get cancelled. 8a cube x minus 4a square is the term here. Now what we are going to do? We are going to differentiate this with respect to x. So y square, if I differentiate 2y, and y differentiation is dy by dx, that is equal to 8a cube is just a constant, and differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, minus 4a square is a constant. If I differentiate it, what I will get? 0. So I can write this as 2y1, that is equal to minus 8a cube by x square. This is what we got. We have to substitute, that is for substituting this, we have to find y1 at 2a comma 0 and y2 at, is that 2a comma 0 or 0 comma 2a? Let me check. What is the point? 2a comma 0 only. y1 at 2a comma 0 and y2 at 2a comma 0 we have to find. So if I find y1 from this point, 2 or only y1 is equal to minus 8a cube by x square into y, 2y. This 2 and this will get cancelled. That is not a problem. But what is the problem here? Denominator y is there. When I substitute the point, in the place of x, I will substitute 2a. In the place of y, I will substitute 0. So the denominator will become 0. it means the numerator becomes, that is the entire term becomes infinite, which is wrong. So we are not going to use this formula directly. Instead of 1 plus y1 square, I am going to reuse the formula rho is equal to 1 plus x1 square the whole power 3 by 2 by x2. So either we can use this formula or this formula. What is x1 here? So I wrote dy by dx or y1. Same way, x1 is dx by dy. So the given question, now you may think, do I have to differentiate this x with respect to y here? No, it is not required because already dy by dx is there. If you take the if you take dy by dx is already there. Dy by dx is a by b means, which implies dx by dy is b by a. So I can just take the reciprocal of it and I can finish it instead of redoing the entire problem. Now again go back to the same step where 2 by y1 is equal to minus 8a cube by x square. So which implies y1 is equal to minus 8a cube by x square into 2y. And then if I cancel it, y1 is minus 4a cube by x square y. Your y1 is nothing but dy by dx is equal to minus 4a cube by x square y, which implies dx by dy is nothing but minus x square y by 4a cube. Okay, so now you got x1. This dx by dy is same as x1. Now we have to find x1 and x2 at the point 2a comma 0. So wherever this is like point x comma y, at x you substitute 2a, at y you substitute 0. So minus of 2a the whole square into 0 by 4a cube. Anything into 0 is 0. So x1 at this point we found it. Now we have to find x2. x2 means d square x by dy square. This is nothing but d by dy of dx by dy. That is equal to d by dy of, what is your dx by dy? It is here. So d by dy of minus x square y by 4a cube. I have to differentiate this term with respect to what? Y. Okay. So minus 1 by 4a cube is just a constant. Throw it outside. Now you have u, v. This is u, this is v. This negative also we have thrown it outside. So keep u as it is, that is x square as it is. Y, if I differentiate, I will get dy by dx, or y if I differentiate, I will get 1 because we are differentiating with respect to y. So you won't say dy by dx. I forgot and said if I differentiate with respect to x only, this denominator, if it is with respect to x, then I will write dy by dx. Now y with respect to y means it is 1 plus, keep y as it is, x square if you differentiate 2x, it's in multiplication, and x with respect to y, so dx by dy. Okay, so the same uv formula, if it is y with respect to y, if you differentiate 1, if it is anything else, then I will write the denominator. Now if I simplify, or I can find directly x2 at 2a comma 0 is equal to minus 1 by 4a cube. Wherever x is there, I'll substitute 2a. So 2a the whole square plus y into 2x. Y is 0. So anything into 0 is 0. So 2a square, if I square it, 4a square by 4a cube. Minus sign is there outside. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So you will get 1 by a. Now you got x1 and then you got x2. Now replace the formula values. 1 plus x1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by x2. 1 plus x1 square is what? 0 whole power 3 by 2 divided by, what is your x2? Minus 1 by, I left minus here, minus 1 by. 1 power anything is that same value, minus 1 by if it goes to the numerator, minus a. So your radius of curvature for the given curve at the point is modulus, absolute value we will write, because radius of curvature in the beginning itself I said it cannot be a negative value, amount of bending. So it should be a modulus value. So what are the three different things you have learnt from the back? I'm saying here, if it is a negative value, you are writing it as plus a. This is point number one. And what is the second thing? If your formula, if dy by dx becomes infinite at the given point, because see here, your y1 is becoming infinite at the given point, I cannot find y1. You're going to switch the formula, instead of 1 by 1 plus y square to 1 plus x square. This is the second thing. We are switching the formula. 1 plus x1 square power 3 by 2 by x2. And the third thing, which is slightly different, is normally they will ask find the radius of curvature. Sometimes they will ask find the radius of curvature at a particular point. They may give the point exclusively, or they may give the clue where the curve meets the x-axis. So you are finding the point, at which point that we have to find the radius of curvature. In this problem, these are the three different things. Thank you.